Hey y'all, welcome back to Natural Tings Key Channel. Y'all, I know I've been MIA for a minute. A lot of stuff happened. Good, bad, it's life. But in T-Way, without further ado, this is the hairstyle that I've been talking about on my IG channel. If you follow me on Instagram, that I did back in January, that I said I will be showing y'all. So right here, I am just basically twisting. I am going to leave the products that I use down below in the description box. So basically, to moisturize my hair and to make it, sleek and cute, I did water. Sprayed the water first, took the oil on my scalp and put it on my hair a little bit, and then I took some gel, but I only took the gel and put it on my edges, and then everything else just came out good. So this is just me showing you again a different angle of how to twist them all together, and I did use rubber bands at the ends. So continue watching, stay tuned for the finished look. You already know.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is more than a million. Goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh, your love is one in a million.
Okay, so this is just me simply showing you how to attach the lock to the perm rod. However, I have a video of how I showed you in detail of how to do so, which I'm going to put right there. So stay tuned for the finished look.
It's not that I don't want you here.